Hi, it's me again with Laser Tips and Tricks, and I just acquired this one design it's a vertical wine box from Cartonus or Carton US. I don't know which one it is. There's 6 designs. You get all 6. It's $8. Somebody like myself could probably draw this, but it wouldn't be worth the $8. It comes in any file format you want. I mean, it even comes in a Corel. There's no physical items in it. It's just a file. You can buy it on SD, and they've got a lot of stuff, boxes, and also he's got a lot of free stuff. So if you go to the website, and I'm going to put all 3 of these links, the free stuff, the wine box, and the website. And this is what I got. And it had this design on here that's actually vector engraved. I did not do that because I was just testing this out. It does have grain direction, but I don't really understand that because you're going to cut this out of a plywood. And plywood really doesn't have any grain because it's multiple. And pretty good instructions. You need 2 of these, and 1 of these. And I guess the reason they do that is to save file space. Material thickness, it tells you. And I think he's got 3 thicknesses. They sent me the 1/8. And I was a little bit concerned that a wine bottle wasn't going to fit in there because it just didn't look. But the reason I'm making the video is just get it out. I'm not promoting them. I wish them all the luck in the world. They got some pretty neat free stuff that I'm going to try out. But the wine bottle fit in there perfectly. I wish I had a way to video the opening and closing. All you do is just take these loops off and open the box. It's got living hinges everywhere. And you could totally change this design. Especially when you get the other ones that are different versions of it. Like this one doesn't have any mine has, well, none of them are showing that. It actually has some fancy. This has figure joints all the way up and down. So there's a lot you can do with this. Well, now that's saying $6.40. I thought I saw 7 or 8. Maybe I'm confused. So you get all 6 of these files for $6. And they're basically the same, as just a different internal design. And I was also a little bit concerned. So there's the file I got. And so I took all the garbage away that I didn't need after I read it. And I took it out to the shop and cut it out. And it cut out perfect. It cut in good cut order. It cut the interior parts out and the living hinge out before it cut out the outside. I glue up stuff like this. And yes, my shop is messy. This is surgical tubing. I made several videos on that. It works a lot better than clamping on something that's kind of this fragile. This thing's pretty rugged. And so what you want to do, because I was, before I waste, now I will say this about this item, you're probably not going to be able to sell it because it cuts 22 minutes to run, to cut all the way through all this plywood. And that's not a big deal if you're a shop and you have a couple of lasers running. But then if you want it nice, you've got to sand it off, glue them up. It does fit together really good. But if you do get it and before you buy it or before you cut it, I would take it and, the only problem I did have with this is broken lines. So I would take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and then this will be a continuous line. Make sure it's a hairline. See where this is broken into pieces. They just didn't group it, or maybe I didn't group it, but now it's all one piece. What I would do if I was gonna, I did it, I didn't have to, because it fit together perfectly. I mean, it's not extra tight, it's not loose. But what I would suggest doing would be take a rectangle, take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. take those two pieces that we just made smaller, and that's why I made a copy of it, and then take these two pieces and put them in your laser bed and cut that out. You could actually cut this one in half and cut these out, and then if that doesn't fit good, then it's not going to fit good. It should fit together fine, but all lasers and all laser curves are just a little bit different. I mean, mine, I can't say enough about how good it fit. I mean, it actually was not really that snug, but I had to kind of put my palm of my hand to knock them into the holes, because some of them are internal joints. Now, I did sand off all the burn joints, so it just looks more like a box. And but anyway, I'll put these. And once I said I'm not promoting this. I'm just when I find something that's pretty cool, I enjoy sharing it and some ideas about it. And then when you're ready, you just you need 2 of this and 2 of this, so you need 4 sides, and they're identical, so it doesn't really matter. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.